FotoScript is a MessengerBot plugin designed to help you create personalized images for your existing chatbot built with Chatfuel, ManyChat, or MobileMonkey. There's no coding involved, no need to hire a developer, and there's no complex setup. You can use it to create personalized welcome images or coupons with your customer's name. Congratulate your students on a job well done with a personalized certificate that includes their score. And you can also use it to confirm registration, send out reminders for upcoming events, or use it in your cart abandonment campaign. Other than creating personalized images, you can also use it to create shareable cards to allow users to share a great deal with their friends, for example. The image in each card can be personalized with a name and other unique information. You can also customize the message and include up to 3 buttons. Users can quickly share this great deal with their friends by tapping on the Share button next to the image. To give you a few more ideas, you can also ask users to share a challenge and get their friends to join, or maybe after a quiz, they can challenge their friends to beat their score. With FotoScript, you can easily create a personalized image in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create a design. To do this, you'll need to browse through our library, select a design, and use our visual editor to customize the image. You can click and drag to reposition the text box, make changes to the font style, color, size, edit the text, and include up to 12 custom fields in a single design. You can also upload your own custom background or choose another background from our existing library. Step number 2, you'll need to select your platform. Then select what you want to send and provide any additional details. Last step, click over to the Setup tab and follow the instructions to copy and paste some code into your bot. If you want to learn more about FotoScript, visit our MessengerBot to test out our plugin or to claim your special trial coupon.